Hello friends, welcome to Sakitech YouTube channel. We are going to continue with our AutoCAD 2D drawings. As I promised, we are going to do a lot of 2D drawings so that you can be able to know how to use the AutoCAD. Now, this is what you are going to draw today. Very simple. As I said, whenever a drawing is being given to you, you have to make sure you understand the drawing. In that case, it really helps you to understand or do the work very fast. Now, let's analyze this work. Now you can see we have a circle here and another circle here. Okay, the distance between this circle is 82. All the dimensions are in millimeters, so from here to this side is 82. There's a radius here, there's another radius here, another radius here. We also have a radius here. Okay, so and this is also another circle, the distance from here. So now that we understand the drawing with the measurements and everything, let's open our card and start. So we are going to start with this one, the top one here. You draw a circle with diameter 30 and a radius 30. So we open our AutoCAD. Okay, and then let's check our units that we are drawing in. It's very important. Okay, you have to choose millimeters. We are working in millimeters. Okay, all right, so we have a circle, so you just go to circle, you click anywhere on the screen, the model space. Now this is radius. Whenever you click a circle and you try to draw, the first thing that will come is radius. When you look down here, specify radius of circle. If you want to change to diameter, you just press D, this one, or you can click and then to specify diameter of circle. Okay, so if you want radius, you type R. Oh, sorry, if you want radius, when you click, it comes with radius. So specify, when you click, it will come with radius. Specify radius of circle. But if you want a diameter, you either click or type D on your keyboard and you press enter, and to change to diameter. So now this is diameter. Now let's check our diameter. Our diameter is I think 30. Okay, so let's enter 30. A very big one. You can make it smaller by typing zoom or Z for zoom, enter, then you can click extend. All right, to make it a little bit smaller. Now let's try and lock this origin. Click on it, right click, go to UCS properties. No, let's right click on it and then UCS icon. All right, so we put it there permanently. Okay, so now we have this circle. Now let's try and see the radius. We have this radius also 30. Okay, so let's draw circle. This time around we will not use we want the radius 30, so we just type in 30. Good. Now we have the two circles. This is complete. Now let's try and draw this one. The distance from this to this is 82. So for you to do it, you can do it in so many ways. Somebody will choose to draw a line, but I have a simple way of doing. Click on circle. Now make sure your green tracking line is on, so you start from the center. You don't click, just take your mouse cursor there, you see the green line. Okay, and now whilst it comes down, just enter the distance. If you check the distance is 82. Okay, so after you see this green line, just enter 82 and you press enter. Automatically it will give you the distance from here to here. Okay, and the circle will start. All right, so let's check. Diameter is 32, so we press D for diameter, type in 32. Good. And there's a radius 24, so another circle, radius 24. All right, so we are going small and push it up here. Okay, so now you can see there's a radius here from this side, which is tangent to this circle, radius 90. So how do we draw that one? For you to do that one, very simple. Just go to circle. Okay, now under the circle you see some pointed arrow over there. Click on it and then go to tan radius. This tan means tangent radius. Okay, what is trying to tell you that the circle you are coming to draw is tangent to this and it's tangent to this. So you click on tan radius. Now it will ask you specify points on objects for first tangent of circle. So you click here, this one. The second one is this. Now what is the radius of the circle? Is 90. So you just type in 90. Okay, you see it's drawn nicely like this. So it's tangent to this and it's tangent to this as well. Okay, now you can also see there's a radius here, 20 millimeters. So how do we draw that one? To the same procedure, you use the tan radius, this one. So you click this circle, you click this circle, and then to actually specify radius of circle. The radius is 20, so you just type in 20, enter. Okay, now we have this thing. So now the unnecessary ones, we just have to trim them off. So you click on trim. Let's trim this. Let's trim here. We don't need this one also. Yeah, I think that's all for now. Now let's check what is left. All right, so we are done with this side. Let's come here. Now you can see there's a short line, a line here, and the distance between that line is 72. So for me, what I would do is just to draw a straight line from the center here, any measurement at all, or yeah, any measurement at all, and then I will offset from here to here 72 mm. Okay, I'll offset this line from here to this side. So let's go to offset. Now when you click on offset, you specify the distance, and our distance is 72. Then select object. So I'll select this line and move it to the right side. Okay, now I have my line. Good. Now I can also, remaining this, the distance here is 15. Well, I can also decide to draw a line, straight line from here to this side. Okay, and then offset that one as well, 15 mm. Click here, I come down. Okay, so I'm done. So from here I just have to trim this one, trim that. I can even delete this one as well, delete, because I don't need that one, I don't need this one also. Good. So now I have this and this. Now there's a radius here, this is a radius. Okay, so which is 20. The same procedure, tan radius. Click here, you click here, you specify the radius, which is 20. It's already there, so you press enter. You have it. You trim the unnecessary part. You don't need this as well. You don't need this. Okay, you don't need this one also. Good. So now we are left with this one. Okay, a line to this circle. So we can just take a line, click here. Now if you want to attach the line to this, you have to make sure it is tangent. If not, it will be anywhere. So for you to be sure, after you click line, you press and hold your shift key. Okay, so you see this circle, green circle over there before you click. In that case, it is tangent. All right, so now what is left? The only thing left is this a fillet here, the radius of 12. So you can go to fillet. It says specify, click here, sorry, fillet. Let's select radius Now the radius is 5. So then select this object, select this object, and we are done. Now we have to trim this inner circle here. So trim, and our drawing is done. Okay. Yes, this is what we have. Now if you want to increase the width of the line, you can click here and then you are good to go. So this is what we wanted to do, and we have achieved it. So I want you to keep practicing, and then you will get to know how to draw. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed, I'll urge you to subscribe and like, share, and comment as well as we move ahead. Thank you for watching.